All right, we are on the move. Thursday morning, 6:30. Fed days behind us. Fed came out yesterday. No change to policy, no change to rates, no change to commentary. Everything as expected. Not out of the woods yet, they say. Still fears around the Delta variant, so on and so forth. What happens? Market sells off. In the early morning hours, so far today, we've seen the market recover most of those losses from yesterday. So seeing some green on the screen. What else are we seeing? Dollar weakness. Euro dollar up above 1.18. The sterling up above 1.39. So seeing some big moves in these foreign currencies. Take a look at gold. Gold up above $1,800 an ounce. Markets are moving. There's some opportunity to be had out there. No better place to be than Nadex. We've got GDP up on deck, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time today. Strap in. It's going to be a fun one today. All right, let's go get some. I'll see you folks tomorrow.